Have you ever found yourself pondering the mysteries of making money from the internet? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're unraveling the enigma that is online entrepreneurship and breaking it down into simple, digestible steps. First off, it's essential to understand that making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, persistence, and a dash of creativity. So, if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and dive in, here's how you can get started. Step 1. Find your niche. This is the foundation of your online business. Whether it's crafting handmade jewelry, offering professional services, or blogging about your favorite books, your niche should be something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Step 2. Build a website. This is your virtual storefront. It's where you'll showcase your products or services, and it's how potential customers will find you. Remember, your website doesn't have to be overly complicated. Keep it simple, clean, and easy to navigate. Step 3. Generate traffic. This is where things start to get interesting. There are many ways to attract visitors to your website, but one of the most effective methods is through search engine optimization, or SEO. By optimizing your website for search engines, you'll increase your visibility and attract more potential customers. Step 4. Monetize your traffic. Now that you've got visitors coming to your site, it's time to turn them into customers. This can be done through a variety of methods, including affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services, or offering premium content for a fee. But what if there was a way to supercharge your online income? What if there was a tool that could streamline your marketing efforts, increase your sales, and save you time in the process? Enter the all-in-one email marketing solution. This powerful tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence technology to automate your marketing tasks. It can send personalized emails to your subscribers, track your marketing campaigns, and even predict future sales trends. It's like having a personal marketing assistant working around the clock to grow your online business. So, why wait? Start your journey towards online entrepreneurship today. Take the first step, find your niche, and build your website. Generate traffic, monetize it, and supercharge your efforts with the all-in-one email marketing solution. Remember, the key to success is persistence and creativity. Don't be afraid to try new things and learn from your mistakes. After all, every successful online entrepreneur started somewhere. So seize the day, embrace the power of the internet, and start making money online today. And as you embark on this exciting journey, the all-in-one email marketing solution is here to help. It's your secret weapon in the world of online entrepreneurship, ready to propel you towards success. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as your online business takes off.